A bird's eye view of Letnitsa Municipality. In their age-long history, these lands have attracted several different kinds of settlers. The center of Letnitsa municipality is a medieval Bulgarian settlement dating back to 4th century BC. The favorable weather conditions have allowed Thracians, Romans, Slavs and Proto-Bulgarians to grow crops and animals, also benefiting from the fertile ground and the wide pastures available here. The surrounding woods are full of wild medical herbs. The clean, virgin natural environment is home to many game animals, deer, wild pigs and pheasants. There are also a number of natural sites of interest here, the Maarata area with the famous Krušuna Falls being the undoubted favorite. The green landscape is cut through by a series of caves. What's hidden inside them is attractive not only to speleologists, but to other kinds of tourists too. The cave's galleries are full of weird rock formations. Bats fly around and underground rivers flow through their ghastly tunnels. The town of Letnitsa and the villages of Gorsko Slivovo, Krušuna and Karpachevo within Letnitsa municipality all await their guests with their tasty local food, historical sites and cultural monuments, as well as with the customs and crafts preserved for centuries.